What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is a full lockdown here in Chennai thanks to all this COVID, which is actually very sad. Half of the world is getting better and we are taking a slope decline. Okay, this is more of an update video on the chain loop that I used last time. I did leave a description in the description box below as to what it was and where I found it on Amazon and stuff like that. I did make a mistake, however, though it is not 700 rupees, it was about 380 rupees the pack of 2 that I did buy, so apologize for the mistaken price. But yeah, I'm out today. I've actually come outside the colony after a very long time, and as you can see, the place is almost dead. Behind me, if you actually do look at, that's the route I generally take to get onto the highway and go for my general cycle round, where it is barricaded off completely. So I think I'm just going to go for a small little ride around the block. Like, there are so many incidences where I keep forgetting to start Strava for some reason. I finish about 2-3 kilometers and then I realized, like, oh my god, I did not start Strava. Yeah. Okay, so most of all these places are all barricaded off by the Ananagar Police Department. So they are doing an extremely good job right now. And I think there are very few cars on the road, and most of them have like valid reasons and stuff like that, is what the news was saying. So yeah, in terms of keeping stuff under control, I think they've done a pretty good job. So this is what it looks like at most places. So this area that we are in on this side is one area, and you can't cross this and go towards the other side. I think Swiggy can use it, but no cars allowed, and so far so good. This would probably be the best time to do a photo shoot somewhere in the city where it's absolutely empty and stuff like that, but then you can't really shoot anywhere because it's locked down. Okay, so this is the first time I'm actually stepping outside the area during a lockdown. So even when I did buy my cycle, I bought it during the end of the previous lockdown, so I've never actually seen the city under a lockdown. Yeah, it's crazy. There's no breeze today. The weather by itself is very gloomy today, and everything just seems so still. It's actually very sad. I kind of thought it would feel different, but when you actually do step outside and realize what the situation is and realize what the atmosphere is around the city, it feels very different. And total respect for all the Swiggy people. They're really going that extra mile. So before I lose all ambient light around me, the performance of the loop by itself, I think, is absolutely amazing. There's about a 25 to 30% increase in efficiency, which means decrease in friction. And yeah, I would definitely recommend it 100%. That's the first time that I am using a silicone loop, and damn, it's effective. That's all I have to say about that. So I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe. It's getting dark, time to go back home. Oh, by the way, this is what the view would look like if you were using the armrest. It's pretty comfortable once you get used to it, but then again, it's not meant for comfort, it's meant for speed. Yeah, but this is the basic view.